I'm John Coyle. Welcome to AutoNation Drive's head-to-head feature. In this corner, we have the Subaru Legacy. The all-wheel drive sedan is fully redesigned for 2020 and comes with more power, along with an advanced suite of safety systems. Next, we have the Honda Accord. This venerable four-door has long been a favorite of critics and consumers. It was all new for 2018 and comes into 2019 mostly unchanged. Both the Subaru and Honda are excellent choices for a stylish, practical sedan. So let's take a look at the engines, cabins, infotainment, and price to determine a winner. First, let's look at the powertrains. The Subaru comes standard with a 2.5-liter flat-4 engine good for 182 horsepower and 176 pound-feet of torque. Those looking for a little more poke can opt for a turbocharged 2.4-liter, which pumps out 260 horsepower and 277 pound-feet of torque. Both engines come mated to a CVT transmission that sends power to all four corners via Subaru's famed all-wheel drive system. The standard mill delivers 27 miles per gallon city, 35 highway, while the turbo unit comes in at 24 city, 32 highway. In comparison, the Accord offers three engine choices. The base engine is a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder, which makes 192 horsepower and 192 pound-feet of torque. Step up to the turbocharged 2.5-liter, and you're looking at 252 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. A CVT handles shifting duties on the 1.5-liter, while the 2.5-liter gets a traditional 10-speed automatic. A 6-speed stick is available on sport models. According to EPA estimates, the 1.5-liter delivers up to 30 miles per gallon city and 38 highway, while the 2.5-liter can hit up to 22 city, 34 highway. Predictably, the best mileage comes from the 212 horsepower hybrid model, which can achieve 48 miles per gallon in the city and on the highway. While the Subaru offers all-wheel drive, the Honda provides better fuel economy, the choice of a traditional stick, and a hybrid. Since any one of those things could be a must-have for buyers, we're going to call this a draw. Now, let's look inside the cabin. Subaru doesn't have a luxury line, so the company has sought to give all its interiors a premium feel, and the Legacy delivers. The redesigned dashboard has plenty of angles and details, but avoids looking busy, and all the touch points and switches feel high quality. The large touchscreen at the center is well integrated and neatly framed by buttons and dials for the radio and climate controls. There's seating for up to 5 passengers and 15.1 cubic feet of space in the trunk. The cabin of the Accord is also a nice place to be. That said, build quality is typical Honda, meaning it's exceptional. Modern Accords are also known for feeling roomy, and the 2019 model is no exception. At 16.7 cubic feet, there's also plenty of room in the trunk. While both of these cabins are comfortable and well constructed, we think the Subaru's slightly more modern feel and better materials give it the win here. In the minds of buyers, infotainment tech is more important than ever, and we like the setup in the Subaru. Base models come with a 7-inch display, but tech-savvy buyers will want to spring for the 11.6-inch display, which, as well as being intuitive and quick responding, looks fantastic. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are both standard, as are Bluetooth, HD radio compatibility, and over-the-air software updates. Audiophiles will also appreciate the available 12-speaker Harman Kardon audio system. In the Accord, the standard infotainment system comes with a 7-inch display, but buyers can upgrade to an 8-inch touchscreen. The interface is intuitive, and the combination of on-screen controls and physical buttons makes it easy to quickly make selections. While Apple CarPlay and Android Auto aren't standard, they're available on upper trim levels, along with options like a 10-speaker audio system and HD radio. While we think both systems will be able to meet the needs of buyers in the segment, we think the beautiful packaging and more robust list of standard features gives the Legacy the win here. Now, it's time to talk safety. Since the Legacy is a brand new model, it's yet to be tested by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. But it's worth noting that the 2019 model passed its battery of tests with flying colors and earned a 5-star overall safety rating. It also comes standard with Subaru's EyeSight technology, which includes adaptive cruise, lane keep assist, pre-collision braking, and pre-collision throttle management. The Accord also earned a 5-star crash rating and comes standard with the Honda Sensing suite of safety tech. It includes collision mitigation braking, road departure mitigation, adaptive cruise, lane keep assist, and traffic sign recognition. So with that in mind, we're going to call this a draw, as both vehicles are well equipped to keep you safe on the road. Now it's time to talk price. The Legacy starts at $23,645, and the range-topping Touring XT trim will start at $36,795. The Accord starts at $23,720, and the top-spec Touring model will start at $34,990. Overall, this is a close contest. But while we like the Honda's available hybrid, as well as the traditional 10-speed auto, we think the Subaru's standard all-wheel drive, better infotainment setup, and upscale interior win the day. Of course, you shouldn't buy a car without a thorough test drive. So if you're deciding between the Subaru Legacy and the Honda Accord, visit AutoNation.com to find a nearby dealer. Which do you think is the best choice? Leave a comment below. And also be sure to subscribe, as we have more head-to-head comparisons coming up. I'm John Coyle. Thanks for watching.